We've built our YouTube channel Facts First, over 9 million subscribers and over $1 million in annual revenue. In this course, we're going to give you the blueprint to do the exact same thing without ever making a video yourself. This business model is commonly called YouTube automation, and it's exactly what we've used to grow the Facts First brand and make millions of dollars on YouTube. In this introductory video, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to know about YouTube automation and this course as a whole, so you can see how this course will help you succeed on YouTube. First, what is YouTube automation? YouTube automation is the practice of building a YouTube channel that essentially runs itself. There are varying degrees of automation, as it will depend on the type of video content you make and how you set up your video production systems. But at its core, it's a combination of freelancers, project management platforms, and automation programs. By strategically piecing together all of these components, you can regularly post a practically unlimited number of YouTube videos without doing any video production yourself. We have personally automated the entire process from scripting to video uploading and publishing. This means all we have to do is figure out the topics for our videos, and everything else happens automatically. This is made possible by our team of 20+ freelancers, the project management platform Trello, and the automation program Zapier, as well as a few other tools to make things even more efficient. And this YouTube automation business model is attractive for a lot of reasons. For one, we can run this business from anywhere at any time. It'll even run without us for days or weeks at a time. Additionally, it takes very little time to keep it running. While all businesses will require some level of maintenance and management, this is truly a passive business model once you build it up. So if you're looking for a lucrative side hustle or a path to financial freedom, YouTube automation can be a great option. What's inside this course? A lot of people shy away from talking about YouTube automation strategies, but we're spilling every detail about how we dominate on YouTube at a massive scale. This is going to include some of the fundamental strategies and ideas behind creating viral YouTube videos, as well as advanced automation techniques for making your channel successfully run itself. Inside this course, you'll find modules that give you a step-by-step guide on building and maintaining a YouTube automation business. First, we'll walk you through the all-important topic of selecting a niche to create videos for. Some niches are certainly better than others when it comes to YouTube automation, so we'll tell you what you need to consider if you're about to start a brand new channel. The next module is all about finding topics for your niche. One of the biggest keys to success with YouTube automation is creating content that consistently resonates with your audience. On Facts First, we publish 3 long-form videos every single day, yet we never run out of video ideas. This is because of our efficient topic selection strategies that supply us with practically unlimited video ideas, and we'll show you how you can do the exact same thing for absolutely any niche. Then, we'll dive into some of the intricacies of automated YouTube video creation, starting with video scripting. Without a good script, your video is sure to fail. We've created thousands of videos at this point, and we've fine-tuned our scripting processes to an exact format that hooks and engages viewers. We'll share our internal guidelines and training documents and where to find the best writers to execute on them. The next module is all about editing, and it includes the exact guidelines and training documents we use to train our editing team. We'll show you how to create a consistent look across all of your videos when using more than one editor. We'll also show you creative ways to source footage from around the web and the perfectly legal ways we avoid copyright claims by following the legal doctrine known as fair use. Once you have all of these pieces in place, you need to hire some freelancers to get things in motion. And this is where a lot of people go wrong. But after working with hundreds of freelancers, we've cracked the code to success. Scriptwriters, voiceover artists, video editors, and virtual assistants are just a few of the team members you'll need to find. And we'll tell you exactly how to lock down great, long-term talent at affordable rates. Once you've determined the components of your automation videos and have your freelance teams in place, it's time to actually automate the business. The final segment of our course breaks down the automation process we have in place for every step of production, from scripting to video uploading. This is absolutely essential if you want your business to run itself. Otherwise, you're going to spend countless hours coordinating with your team and getting bogged down in the day-to-day operations of your channel. We'll show you step-by-step how to set these up for yourself and even share a copy and paste template you can use to kickstart your automation. Finally, we have a few bonus modules to help you maximize your growth and success with the YouTube automation business model. This includes dedicated sections on YouTube Shorts and a few tutorials on some of the most valuable tools we use on a day-to-day basis. Plus, we'll continue updating and adding more modules over time. On top of all of this information, we're sharing every one of our training documents, SOPs, automation formulas, and more, so you can download them and implement them immediately after joining the course. You can find a full list of these provided materials in the course description. Finally, all of our course members get access to an exclusive chat group where you can connect with us and others in the space. So is this course for you? If you're interested in the YouTube automation business model, this course is not going to hold anything back. We're determined to give you as much value as possible so that you can hit the ground running and achieve YouTube success. Still, I should clarify this is not a ticket to overnight success. The YouTube automation model takes a good bit of work up front. Luckily, this is a flexible business model that works for a range of entrepreneurs. If you're low on cash but have a lot of free time, you can start YouTube automation with $0 until your channel begins generating revenue. In fact, we recommend this to most people who are new to YouTube in general. Then, as your channel grows, you can implement our automation processes to create the self-sustaining business that YouTube automation offers. Alternatively, if you have money ready to invest, you can essentially plug in our entire automation system from the get-go and start automating your channel from day one. Our processes can also help you if you're anywhere in between with a channel that you've already started. Whether you're struggling with hiring freelancers, creating viral videos, or automating the process, we'll give you the exact ingredients that will take your channel to the next level. No matter where you are in your YouTube automation journey, our course has everything you need to achieve a highly profitable YouTube channel that can completely run itself. So go ahead and click join, and I'll see you inside the course.